Hi and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today we're taking a closer look at the Baltany S4035. Behind that name is their 39mm version of the Rolex Explorer homage. For many, the sweet spot size for the Explorer that Rolex stopped making a few years ago, leaving the 36 and 40mm variants as the only options. Just like with many other Baltany models, they took that variant that is no longer in production and made it available for those that miss the size. On top of that, this one is available as a two-tone, something never even offered with the original 39mm Explorer. And that is where I found a detail that is, to me at least, more important than the rest of the watch: the brushed two-tone bracelet. I own a two-tone watch and had quite a few over the years, and they all had one thing in common: polished center links that would show scratches within days of wear. It was always something that bugged me, but something I decided to accept as a given and as a price of owning a two-tone. The Veneziani Conere de GMT I recently reviewed was the first watch where I deemed the scratches a worthy price for the sheer beauty of the whole package. But I still wish they made it the way Baltany made this, by using a brushed finish for the gold parts. Don't think brushed finish will scratch less than polished, as finish type doesn't affect the hardness of steel, but it does a whole lot better job at making them less visible. A polished part will show even the faintest of hairline scratches, while brushed finish will mask them and only truly show deeper gouges. By making this bracelet completely brushed, Baltany made a watch where you can have your cake and eat it. The rest of the watch is typical Baltany, meaning incredibly well finished, with incredibly sharp looking markers and hands, thanks to now already famous Baltany clearness of the crystal. If you ever handle the Baltany in person, you will know what I mean, as cameras simply can't catch the way light plays with the crystal, as they lack the dynamic range of the human eye. I tried to capture that several times in my reviews, but no matter how well I think I capture it, it just doesn't do the crystal justice. The only other watch that does that better is Gino. This allows you to fully enjoy the dial, and allows for an excellent legibility, even though being brown and gold makes it lack the contrast of a regular black dial silver combo. This brown-gold combo makes it a bit toned down and less in your face, making a simple utilitarian Explorer style somewhat sophisticated. While 200 meters of water resistance, screw-in crown, and the already mentioned brushed bracelet make it a true go-anywhere, do-anything type of a watch. I am a bit biased when recording anything that resembles a Rolex Explorer, as I'm a huge fan of the style. Not only do I daily a 36mm Explorer most of the time, in fact it is on my wrist as I'm filming this, but I like the style so much I actually bought a Smith's Everest as well, just haven't had the chance to record it and present it to you. While my preference is still a 36mm due to my small wrist and me liking smaller watches in general, it was fun to try this 39mm version and see if that would be something I would pursue in the future. And that is the best thing about these homages. They're not hurting sales of the originals, or on the contrary, they can help increase them, as it gives you the opportunity to try a style, size, and colorway of something you like without costing you an arm and a leg. And then after trying many variants, you can know for sure which variant of the real thing to go for when getting ready to burn serious cash. The other benefit is getting a watch style that has been long gone and lost in the history, like their 1926 homage. Again, without costing too much for you to be afraid to wear it or looking like it has been laying in a swamp for the past century. With Baltany, you just have to find the style you would like to try, as the rest, finish quality, solidity, and general bang for buck, is always at a very respectful level, and so is the case with this as well. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.